act like she ain't never seen. Shaking my head. I look like death.
I was the Grim Reaper for Halloween last year. I can give you a robe, and then you'll really look like Death Fan.
Today we're going to talk about, today we are going to talk about these ratchet bitches that pissed us off.
Yeah.
What do you have to say about that? How do these ratchet bitches that piss you off make you feel, other than pissed off, apparently?
I'm just so much better than them, but they think that they can talk about someone. Can you believe that?
Girl. They always think they can talk about somebody. They always think they can talk about her. And then when these motherfuckers meet a bitch, they be like, I loved her. What you this bitch I know. And then they wonder why a motherfucker be choosing, yourself over them. Like, look at you. Look at me. And look at you. I might not even look great all the time, you know. Still better than you. And you want to know why? Because you're just downright just nasty. Are you going to get in on this or what?
What am I supposed to talk about?
People that really,
So
really.
once upon a time ago, when I was in 4th grade, there was this 5th grade bitch that I didn't even fucking know, but my friend was all like, okay, this bitch over here said that you were ugly and you can't do your makeup. And I was like, bitch, what do you think happens when you rub your eyes and you go out in the sun and you sweat with eyeliner on? What the fuck do you think is gonna happen when you do that?
What do you think? What do you think is going to happen? What?
To me.
They always uglier. And even if they ain't that ugly, still ain't got your personality and your traits. You know what I'm saying? They ain't you. These bitches just ratchet, just downright dirty, and we just can't have that.